My name is Steve Goodman. I'm the president of Fortress Technology.
My name is Dina Rosati. I'm in charge of research and development. We make industrial metal detectors. It's a very high precision instrument. It's detecting really tiny pieces of metal, around 1 millimeter or less.
This kind of equipment tended to be very complicated to use. It wasn't designed for the kind of end user that had to actually live with this thing. So we wanted to produce something that was easy to use and extremely robust. It's not a real production line because everything's very custom built. We design it to whatever's required for that particular application. Instead of trying to force the customer into what we'd like to provide, we provide what they need.
Almost every customer has some tweak they need, or some peculiarity of their products, like tortillas are weird, and sliced cheese versus blocks of cheese have completely different effects inside a magnetic field. We're doing it as fast as we can do it. If it's software, we can deliver a solution from R&D to production in a matter of minutes, literally.
We can design and develop everything literally within hours. We can have something running and know that that's going to be the right answer. And then from there, we make the real one and make it work. We built the first 20 or so metal detectors that we sold in the first year in my garage. Within a few years, we were 50 people and then 80 people, and now 170, 180 people, and it's still growing.
I had an opportunity to work with Fortress in the very early days. Best decision I ever made. We cover obviously the mainland Europe, but that also extends out to as far as India and as far south as Africa.
We started looking into Brazil in 2005. We started evaluating the market and decided to open up in Sao Paulo. The way Fortress has grown over the 17 years has been to listen to their customers.
We take responsibility for what we make. If it isn't working, if it's our fault, we will go there and fix it.
We time shift a lot of people here so the UK is awake when we're not. We have a group in New Zealand who covers that part of the world, and so we're able to basically work around the clock somewhere. Somebody's available online and working their normal day.
I take it personally. I take it as my own brand in Brazil. I have a young, dynamic team that's capable of bringing this brand as the #1 brand.
I have absolute faith in the product, the management team, the company. Everything that we've done has just been perfect.
We've had nights where we've worked through the night, 24 hours, because we've got a problem, we've got to fix it. We don't have to ask anybody to do this, they just do it. We've got very technical people, we've got skilled people in the back, and they're all very committed to the success of Fortress, and that's a joy for me.